In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a one-time card on Klarna, which works just like a regular debit or credit card and lets you split your purchase into payments anywhere Visa is accepted. Here's how it works. Open your Klarna app and make sure you're logged in. On the home screen, look for the option that says One-Time Card and tap it. Klarna will then ask you how much you want to spend. Enter the total amount of your purchase, including taxes and shipping, and Klarna will create a virtual card for that exact amount. Once the card is generated, you'll see the card number, expiration date, and CVV code just like a regular Visa card. Copy that information and use it at checkout on the store's website. From the store's perspective, it's just a normal card, but on your end, Klarna splits the cost into 4 payments, or whichever plan you choose. The best part is you can make multiple one-time cards whenever you need them, and it's super helpful for stores that don't support Klarna directly. Just keep in mind, if you don't use the card right away, it usually expires within 24 hours, so create it only when you're ready to pay. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to create and use a Klarna one-time card to shop almost anywhere. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.